Welcome back, nail queens. Today's video is a little different from my usual content. It is a sponsored video by Danni and Toni, and they sell nail wraps. So when they reached out to me and asked me to collaborate with them, I was very excited upon looking at their website because let me tell you, their styles are beautiful. So they sent me 3 different styles. So this sunflower one is so adorable, but I love myself rainbows and confetti, so I couldn't resist getting this one too. It also came with an LED nail lamp because these are gel lamps and you have to cure them. And it came with a bunch of other tools. So the nail lamp is a USB to micro USB connection, so you will need some kind of USB outlet to plug the lamp into. I'm sure most of us have that in our homes these days, so it shouldn't be a problem. And it's a really cute mini curing lamp. You just have to flip it over and then open up the tabs here. I chose to use my tweezers so I don't break a nail. Just open up the little legs here and boom, bam, plug it in and you're ready to go. Now the packaging comes with instructions on how to apply them, so I'm going to make sure that I follow these instructions when I'm applying these. So I'm going to take everything out of its packaging. It came with this like tri-fold package right here, and it tells you exactly what's in each compartment. So you have a prep pad, wood stick, nail file, and scissors. That is so awesome that they even include the scissors. So it looks like a cotton pad, not an alcohol wipe though. And I'm going to take out the wooden stick and the cute little file. This is probably to trim off any excess that hangs over. And these scissors, which luckily they do not look sharp. That is a good thing. And they also have more instructions here on the inside of this trifold pamphlet. So if you ever lose the instructions on the other one, you have them here instead. Now inside of this little black casing here that I am cutting open using the scissors provided are the nail wraps. They are gel wraps, so you don't want them exposed to natural sunlight or a UV lamp because they will cure. So you want to do that as you're applying them, of course. These are so stunning. So they have a clear backing. My goodness, the quality of these are really standing out already to me. I am so impressed. These are beautiful. And I really like the whole clear negative space thing. I do have builder gel / jelly tips on my nails right now. So I'm just going to apply these directly over my jelly tips, which is usually the purpose of jelly tips, is to apply a nail enhancement or design directly over them. So these wraps, they have a clear protective film over every single design, so you don't have to worry that while you're handling it, you're ruining the design. They are nice and protected. So I'm trying to figure out which design I want on what nail, so I'm just playing around. I love that these are clear and easy for me to place over my nail to see if I'm sizing it correctly. So when I'm ready to put it on my nail, I just take off the clear wipe. Normally I would prep with a cotton pad, but since I already have jelly tips, that's already done. Now that I've decided which one I want to put on my nails, I'm going to use this orange wood stick to peel off the wrap off of the backing. I'm trying to be careful because these are very stretchy and flexible, so I don't want to overstretch them before I put them on my nails. So I try to focus around the cuticle area, and I like that they're not too sticky, so you're able to lift it up and replace it if you do it wrong a little bit. And then I'm going to press everything nice and flat. And I'm going to stretch, it's really easy to stretch these, around my free edge so that I can really just trim off the excess. So all I'm doing here is gently stretching it over my free edge, but then I'm going to use the file and file off the excess. According to the instructions on the pamphlet, it says to use the rough side. I find that the smoother side gives a much smoother finish, but if you need to really get it off, the rougher side works great too. And then after it's applied and you like how it looks, then take the mini curing lamp and cure the gel nails. And it's just like that. It's super duper easy. So I'm going to repeat this process for all of my nails, selecting a different design for each nail. And obviously, because I have to find the right fit and size, not every single design is going to work on every single nail. Since I do have a clear base underneath and these are clear, I am not too worried about having a perfect fit. But I can understand if you guys are using like one that has a colored background, why you definitely want it to fit perfectly to your nail. You don't want it to like have any of your nail peeking through. So that's just a thought. I definitely want to use the other two that came in this package in the future. Maybe try to encapsulate them in clear dip powder. I wonder how that would work since they're gel nails. I'm not sure. They're not like your typical like plastic sticker nail wraps. These are gel. They're really nice and stretchy and so beautiful, and I like how they retain their design regardless of filing them off on the edges or how I'm stretching to shape.
Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same, but if you did.
Now I only have two nails left to do, my index and my ring finger, and I think I'm going to make those sunflowers, so obviously it'll be a more obvious sunflower manicure. So I'm going to make sure that I'm picking from these sunflower designs. When I was browsing the Danni Toni website, I found literally so many different styles. It was kind of hard to choose and narrow down to 3 styles, so I did kind of pick something that I felt like was more me, more my style, but they have so many designs, more like negative space like I'm wearing right now, but tons of full coverage designs, things for holidays like 4th of July, more subtle things, animal print, you name it. These are literally so easy to use. I actually think these are easier than water slide decals. So if you are someone who struggles with water slide decals, this might be a nail art option you might want to consider. Also, all of these designs are already top coated, so you technically do not have to top coat. If you're someone who's more worried about long-lasting wear, they did say that these last up to 14 days. Of course, I don't test my stuff for longevity because I use peel base, and you guys know me. I love changing out my manis at least once a week, but that is the website guarantee from Danni Toni. So that is awesome too, that they can last up to 14 days. But they do recommend that after all of your designs are on, that you cure them in the lamp for 60 full seconds. Like, that was something that was very much stressed. So this is the final manicure. This is all done. I love this. I love the little negative space thing going on. I really like these designs. The sunflowers, I know some people consider this end of summer, but I love sunflowers for spring. So here are the other two designs so you guys can see how rich and beautiful these other wraps are. They're literally so gorgeous. I just love how rich the colors look. They don't look faded. They don't look like bad printed or anything. And then here are these floral ones that I really, really loved. So how cool would this be if these floral ones were negative space? Alright, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you like this. If you want to see more nail wrap-esque style videos, let me know in the comments below. That way I know if this is something that you'd like and you want me to keep bringing back to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!